I am off on a little trip today, just one overnight stay, literally 24 hours with Beauty Pie. I'm not 100% sure who else is going, but I think it's going to be a really nice group of ladies. I love the team at Beauty Pie, and we're going to a place called Kin House, which I've actually never been to before, but there's often press trips there, and I've seen photos online and it looks beautiful. Also, the weather is amazing. It's going to be so warm and sunny today. I'm actually really not sure of my outfit choice for the day. I struggle to find summery outfits that don't look really dressy. Like, I don't want to look dressed up. It's like somewhere in between. I don't know. Anyway, I've settled on a denim shirt and jeans, which I really think I might regret, but I do have this Arquette dress, which is kind of a casual dress, in my suitcase in case I get really hot, but then it's black. I don't know, have not nailed the summer dressing thing yet. Just about to close my suitcase. I think I've got everything. You know, it's that last minute panic. I just realized I forgot my phone charger. The important things: phone charger, my brace and the cleaning tablet for my brace, toothbrush, hair straightener. Although my hair is so greasy and my grey hairs are really popping today. Camera, an outfit for tonight. I don't know, I think I've got everything. I'm gonna close my case and just hope for the best. We're getting the train from Paddington to Chippenham, and I've got to meet everyone at Paddington, so I kind of have to get going. I'm going to get the tube there. I've actually got a new suitcase. Away kindly gifted me a new suitcase, and I'm very excited because I had the carry-on case, but it was never quite big enough for an overnight stay. I do these kind of overnight trips quite often with brands, and it was just always a bit too hard to fit everything in that I needed. I could only ever fit one pair of shoes, and once I put in my toiletry bags and my filming equipment, it was always a bit of a squish. So I asked for the bigger carry-on. So it's also a carry-on size, but it's slightly bigger. And when it came, I thought, oh God, this really isn't actually that much different in size. But now I've packed it, it really, really is. So I can fit so much more in this, and look at the color. This is actually very appropriate for a Beauty Pie trip, but it's pink. It's so, so cute. So I'm just gonna zip this up and get going. So even though it's really not weather appropriate and I'm totally paranoid I'm gonna get sweat marks, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm so obsessed with this shirt from Suzanne. It's just the perfect color denim. It's the perfect fit. I love the buttons, they're like poppers, it's just perfect, and I really like it rolled up like this. And I'm also wearing it with my And Other Stories, no sorry, these are my Arquette jeans, they're the slightly cropped ones, double denim, I'm just going for it today, and my Adidas Samba trainers. Am I gonna be hot? Am I gonna get sweaty? I'm so panicked, I don't know. Okay, breathe. It's that pre-travel, getting somewhere on time anxiety. Chill. Guys, I've arrived at Kin House. Oh my goodness. If I were to get married again, I would get married here. This is how I feel about it. We haven't even had the tour yet. It's basically a massive house with 12 bedrooms. So it's not really like a hotel. You have to rent the entire house. I feel so lucky to be here. It is the most beautiful venue. The weather is perfect. We literally have the perfect weather today. It's beautiful and sunny. There are so many nice girls here. Some familiar faces I've met before, some new faces as well. It's gonna be an epic 24 hours, but I've just checked into my bedroom and it's unreal. It's unreal. Oh my God, guys. I mean, I appreciate things like this even more now that I have kids. I am going to enjoy this room. I feel like we haven't got much time in the room, but I'm gonna soak up every minute that I have in here. Are you ready for the room tour? Full length mirror, check. And then you come into this absolutely incredible 4-poster bed. Look at this. It is so grand. This whole bedroom is so bright and beautiful, and I'm obsessed with this rug. It's ginormous and it's checkerboard, and I need it in my life. It's so beautiful. We've got some goodies on the bed. There's actually so many goodies around the whole room. So lucky. Pajamas and a little eye mask from Beauty Pie. And then let me pan up. Oh my God, as soon as I walked in, I was like, I have the room with the bath and the checkerboard platform. I've seen this on their Instagram before. There's a gorgeous little beauty desk. And then look at this bath. I want to fill this bath up to the max and soak in it and enjoy every moment. I will 100% be doing this. No matter what time the night ends, I'm finishing it in this bath. They've also put some like goodies everywhere. This is one of their new bath and shower oils. I've got one of these at home, but I haven't got this scent, which is the Firewall blend. So that's really exciting because it's a new scent for me to try. I absolutely love these. They're brand new and really good. If I just turn around, there's like a gorgeous little sofa at the end of the bed. Got a little TV, gorgeous fireplace. Oh my God, this chair. Also, I love this print. And over here I've spotted a Beauty Pie pink hoodie. Yes. I am going to live in that. Okay, let me take you over to the ensuite bathroom via the beauty desk, which is covered in some of my absolute favorite bits, all of which I brought with me. Did not need to do that. The Japan Fusion Cleanser, a firm favorite of mine, the triple hyaluronic acid. My sister's gonna steal this off me because she wanted one and it's my favorite. I have got all of these things and I love all of these things. Super healthy skin moisturizer. And then what's this? Ooh, 3-in-1 deep hydrating gel cream. Have not tried that. That's my cup of tea from earlier. This is the ensuite bathroom. I just love all the colours and the wallpaper prints that they've got here. It is so beautiful. Look at this ensuite shower and bath. Guys, I am being spoiled. I'm speechless. This is incredible. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so lucky that I get to stay places like this. Like I send photos to my friends and I'm just like, I wish you could all be here with me. I wish I could like rent a place like this and have all my friends here. That would be my absolute dream. We're all just kind of settling into our rooms and getting ready, and then we're gonna meet downstairs for drinks. We haven't even had the tour yet. The house is beautiful. There's beautiful gardens. It's the perfect weather for us to do Pilates outside. And I've got my bright blue Lululemon leggings. I'm excited to share this trip with you guys. And yeah, I've got 15 minutes to enjoy my room, so see ya. Guys, it's lunchtime. We're excited. Kim's here.
I was gonna say, how do you know if it's recording?
Because I pressed the button.
I'm such a vlog nonce. I mean,
I don't know. I can't even see anything. I'm just saying that we're about to eat lunch, but I have no idea what we're going to eat. But I'm looking forward to it.
Pizzas.
Also, we've got SPF on the table. I already have this on there. Do you? I haven't got anything.
I haven't.
Always making sure people have their SPF on.
We're so glad that you could all make it, and this is our first ever trip.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So, great to have you here.
First of many.
Lunch was absolutely delicious. Salads, pizzas, arancini balls, like all my favourite things. And the weather is just amazing. We're now going to paint pottery. I mean, guys, isn't this like my perfect day? You know how obsessed I am with painting pottery. So relaxing. So I think we're doing like a little posted workshop thing. Don't know what we're painting. Actually, someone said a vase. We're painting a vase. Wow, it's so amazing in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Everything is just so gorgeous. Wow, guys, we all have our own little stations and vases. This is actually my dream. This is my dream. Look how cute this is. Oh, so it's like an existing vase and we're gonna personalize it. Guys, I finished my vase. I went for a mix of daisies and poppies, and I love it. And I'm gonna go look at the dessert table because that's all I've been thinking about. Look at this dessert table. We've got like a meringue situation, fruit, more meringues. This looks like some kind of cake with figs. Oh my god, it's just all so beautiful. Okay, we've quickly come back to our rooms to change into workout gear because we've got Pilates on the lawn. It's super sunny today, like hot. I can't believe how warm and sunny and amazing it is, but I am slightly concerned about getting really sweaty whilst doing Pilates. I'm terrible at Pilates and it's like properly in the sun. And my hair is on last day hair, so if I get any sweat in it, it's just not. And I'm gonna have to tie it up. I don't know, let's see how this goes, but I'm gonna change into... Okay, this is what I bought with me. So I bought the Lululemon Align pants because these are perfect for like yoga and Pilates, and look how bright and amazing this colour is. And then I think I bought a couple of vest tops with me. I wasn't sure which one I'd want to wear. I didn't bring a headband. Okay, let's get changed. I've got 2 massive flies in my room, and you know when the flies like start to get a bit tired and they're just like really massive drowsy flies. How do I get rid of them? What do I do? Don't they know I'm really looking forward to a good night's sleep? Okay, I've just put on some SPF on my arms. This is like the little Beauty Pie face one, which probably isn't ideal, but it's all I've got with me. Quick little freshen up. So I'm wearing this Lululemon vest top and my Align pants. Just put my hair back in a bun. And I think I've got a few minutes to kind of sit and chill, edit some content on my phone, and then give Pilates a go. Guys, look at this setting for a Pilates class. I mean, have you ever? I've done Pilates in like tiny little dingy dark rooms. This is just another level. Let's see what's going on here. We've got some water. Chloe's Pilates. Oh, this is cool. This is the girl who's running the class. Oh, and a little gift card. That's nice. Kim, are you good at Pilates or are you like me? I just think you're lying. You look the part. We'll see. I don't know why I'm sitting front row.
No clue.
No idea, yeah. I'm going to do a super quick makeup remover because we're going downstairs now. Oh my god, look. This is how much is left of my Japan Fusion cleanser. We're going to go downstairs now to check out some of the new Beauty Pie launches, and apparently there's a little kind of facialist lady. I don't know why I said little. She's not little. I think I meant that the facials might be little. That's kind of a mini facial pop-up type thing. So I'm going to take off my makeup, give my skin a bit of a cleanse, and then go downstairs to check out all the new launches. Maybe she'll try some on my skin. I feel like if I'm super quick, I might get in there first because it's probably going to be a big queue, and I want to maximise the amount of time I've got to get ready before dinner because I want to film a little get ready with me for socials. Quick cleanse. Let's go downstairs to see the new launches. Oh my gosh, this is the most Beauty Pie pink room. Look at this bathroom. This is insane. Okay, time to get ready and film some content. So I'm going to be shooting some stuff for Instagram and TikTok, so I can't really film as well, but I will show you once I am ready for dinner. Oh my goodness, I've been doing so much filming, I almost forgot to film for the vlog. I'm literally about to go downstairs for dinner. I've done my hair just up in a high ponytail, and I've done my makeup using a mix of like my favourite Beauty Pie bits, Merit, what else have I used? Hourglass, just like all my favourite makeup bits. This on my lips is Beauty Pie. What is it? It's Baby Bear. This is what I'm wearing. Wait, I need to show you in a better situation. Maybe up here? No, that's too dark. I'm wearing a waistcoat and linen trousers. It's a set from Nobody's Child. It's the most comfortable set ever. I feel so chic, I feel so put together, but not like overly girly and dressy. It's just like cool. It's kind of like a summer suit. I can't show you in here. I'm gonna have to get someone to film me downstairs. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Full length from Nobody's Child. The trousers fit so nicely, they're so comfortable, they really like cinch me in at the waist, and they're very long and floaty, and yeah, this is just what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to say that I'm wearing this bag from Whistles, which I have had for years and I never wear, but I thought that the little pop of green goes nice and makes it a bit summery. I'm getting Kim to take my outfit photos because she is such a pro. She's got some like mega camera with her. I can't wait. Will you like tell me how to pose and stuff as well? I'm so bad.
Terrible at it.
No, you always look great. I'm going to leave this here, okay, and you can watch me being awful. Okay, do I want sunglasses on or off?
Oh, I think they'll be nice on. Right.
Oh, I'm in the sun there.
Yeah, come over here. Perfect.
So nice.
Right, I'll take some on your phone.
Okay, we are heading for some bubbles. Honestly, I feel like I'm on holiday.
It is so
It's so warm. It's so bizarre.
I'm always happy. You go in the front, you look glad. She's still taking all the photos. Wait, let me get a few of us on down a different lane.
Okay, I'm taking a video.
Otherwise, it looks like we're video.
I'm totally obsessed with these champagne glasses. They are absolutely gorgeous. It's like golden hour, and there are a lot of content creators here going nuts for final photos of the day. Go on, Laura. It's your moment. It's your moment. Oh, look, we're both wearing waistcoats. Oh, I love it. Nobody's child.
Oh, H&M. Yours is so nice.
H&M again, Laura. She always finds the best things. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is our dinner table. Oh my gosh, these flowers. Oh my gosh, even the menu. This is so nice. Look at this. The menu has my name on. This is so beautiful. Honestly, we've got like crudité here, flowers and candles. This is very, very nice.
I'm so sorry.
Dinner was so lovely, and a few people are having cocktails downstairs, but I couldn't pass on an early night. I just really want to enjoy this hotel room, so as you can hear, I am running the bath. I popped some of this bath oil in. Oh my god, that is such a full bath. I think that is ready to be turned off. Oh my goodness, that is just the most amazing looking thing ever. I can't wait to get in there. I've taken all of my makeup off and I'm ready for a good night's sleep. Morning guys, I had such a lovely night's sleep. These Beauty Pie pajamas are so soft, and ugh, that bed was amazing. I need to quickly get ready for breakfast as we're all meeting downstairs. There's this little selection of cold breakfast, and then you can also order hot. Ooh, croissant. Fresh orange juice. Oh no, what are you going for? Ooh, what's that? Oh, you're going for the healthy shot.
A little charming.
Little wake up shot. And then over here, let me show you the bread and the butter. Look at this. Have you seen this like pile of butter? This deserves a photo. This is what I got: fried egg, sausage, and like a croissant-y thing underneath. And right, and everyone's jealous. Good order, yes. One train, 2 tubes later, and I'm home. And I had the best time. It was so nice. But I'm gonna go see the kids now. It's my nephew's birthday. I'm gonna go give him his present, and then I've got my pottery class tonight. Also, I really need to unpack, but I know that I'm probably not going to right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.